So interactions with other performance domains, the development approach and life cycle performance domains interacts with the stakeholder, planning, uncertainty, delivery, project work, and team performance domains. Predictive life cycles undertake the bulk of the planning upfront and then continue to replan by using rolling wave planning and progressive elaboration, right? Actually, I want you to know what those terms are, right? Rolling wave planning and progressive elaboration. When you have a chance, right, maybe after this class, right, Google it, right, and find out what rolling wave planning and progressive elaboration is. Those are very important terms, concepts in project management, right? And if you don't know already, right, what those terms are, please Google them, and by tomorrow, please try to memorize what they are, right, please. The development approach and delivery cadence is one way to reduce uncertainty in projects. A deliverable that has a lot of risks associated with meeting regulatory requirements may choose a predictive approach to build extra testing, documentation, and robust processes and procedures. A deliverable that has a lot of risks associated with stakeholder acceptance may choose an iterative approach. Right? Let's move to the next slide. The development approach and lifecycle performance domain has significant overlap with the delivery performance domain when considering delivery cadence and the development approach. The delivery cadence is one of the main drivers of delivering value in alignment with the business case and the benefits realization plans, right? The team performance domain and the development approach and lifecycle performance domain interact when it comes to project team capabilities and project team leadership skills. The project team's way of working and project manager style vary significantly depending on the development approach. A predictive approach usually contains more emphasis on upfront planning, measurement, and control. On the other end of the spectrum, an adaptive approach, especially when using agile methods, right? So now I feel I kind of repeat myself, and I'm thinking that's probably okay, right? If I repeat the same concept a couple of times, right? Maybe it will help you to capture, right?